super excited to be here representing RingCentral. There's a lot of coolness happening here right now. We are seeing so much traction in the market across the entire stack, both on the employee collaboration side as well as on the customer engagement side, where we're bridging the two worlds, hence the work is one message. But super excited to kind of drive our next wave of innovation and announcing some of the new features here.
When you talk about cool, I think we have to start on the booth. You've got a really nice booth there. It looks absolutely awesome.
Thank you. No, the creative team here has been working for a long time. This is a new expression which we are bringing to market, where we don't want people to think about work in silos. And what we are starting to see is that when you empower people to come together, whether it's employees coming together, and when they start collaborating, guess what happens? We serve our customers better. So these two worlds are starting to, it's a confluence of these two worlds, right? So they're coming together. And that's why I think this expression of work is one works. I mean, and everywhere you go at Enterprise Connect, you'll see this.
The work as one concept, is that the main theme that you're discussing with customers and partners that visit you here at the booth?
Absolutely. Look, it is a convergence which is happening naturally in the market, and we are one of the few vendors where we offer a full stack solution to address all of this. So when you think about employee collaboration, it automatically powers good customer engagement. And so with our rich set of solutions around meetings, around calling, around messaging, we are kind of bringing these people, these employees, to come closer and closer together and communicate as if they are in person. So we actually use a tagline internally at RingCentral: if it's not in person, it's RingCentral. And that convergence on the employee communication side is now starting to impact how we serve our customers. So the same tools as you and I collaborate when we are working together, we are now using them to kind of power employees. Or empower customers. So digital engagement, how we engage with some of these customers, not just using some of the voice pieces, but around social channels. How do we bring all of those together, and then agents collaborate real time to solve customer problems? So these things are coming together, and we are enabling that transformation for
That's an important principle, isn't it? And we all think of RingCentral maybe in your historic in the UCaaS space, but with your CCaaS proposition, your contact center proposition, the same ethos is underlie, don't they, from the enhancing that internal communication to enhancing the external communication to customers or suppliers?
Absolutely. And we're not arrogant about it, where even though we're a full stack solution provider in both of these areas, which have typically existed in silos, we come in with an advantage where we have a very strong platform component, where not only do we kind of leverage the tools which we are bringing to market as a solution, we are also integrating with other providers. So if you are using other tools in your environment for team messaging, for video, we integrate all of those pieces into our ecosystem. So when a customer goes through that experience, it's one integrated experience, even if they're not using our complete portfolio. And that's important. It's important to offer choice to your customers. So that's what we're doing, and we feel very proud that we've accomplished this in conjunction with some of our partners, where we're kind of bringing this entire ecosystem together so that people can not only use RingCentral, but use our ecosystem to build on top of our ecosystem. So.
Ultimately, the real benefit of that, and you hear a lot in the industry talk about workflow or consolidating that platform, and that's absolutely key, isn't it? That interoperability to really enhance someone's day. I mean, I use a multitude of different platforms, and it would be great to be able to unify those into a seamless procedure.
That's exactly, you hit the nail on the head. That's exactly our mantra. That's what we're trying to drive. You'll see this as you walk across the show floor. You look at the demos which we're doing, how we are integrating the different pieces together, how we are tying it into a set of smart decisions with AI, like especially on the customer engagement side, how we are opening up our platform to other AI vendors who are building smart applications on top of ours, how we are providing the rich set of analytics and quality of service capabilities so that people can bring a lot of this data together to draw rich insights and make them actionable. All of this coming together, again, it goes back. I mean, I can't talk about this enough, but it goes into our work as one message.